Some of you guys are parents.
Sorry, I didn't know it was gonna go off when I pressed this.
Oh, see, yeah, he wants to open them up.
They're cooling you off. They say cream.
Why is all he's sucking in his little mouth? Oh,
He's hungry. You hungry, baby?
They'll feed him soon.
Are they gonna take him away?
Well, they'll clean him up and stuff. That's about it. Most right. You'll keep him in your room with you all night.
I know that.
But yeah, they'll have to clean him up, I think. Oh, why my nails just running? Oh, you were doing this before.
How come their faces are always like that when they come out?
because they're swollen or being pushed.
Here, I want to shut that
Funny
thing off.
You just know how to.
Oh, you're heavy.
Yeah.
You're a heavy baby.
You chubby cabbage.
Hi.
Hey, over here.
Hi, Mommy.
You recognize my voice?
You just squeeze that
Hey, baby.
Not that thing. Him. I mean, it takes a lot. It takes a lot to your body too. And I didn't even rip off. Never stitch anyways. That's good. In about half hour.
Yay. And
You can have a mesh underwear on anyway.
Oh, he's
With a pad.
swelling.
I'll slow down. I'll bring you close tomorrow.
oh, did you see that?
Yeah,
oh.
I'm recording it. Oh.
Oh, across the yeah.
He's like this.
Yeah, it's here.
Okay, why is he wrapped up in this big thing?
Probably
Because
wrap
it's
him up
cold.
in warm probably. No, he was really good actually. You think he had other kids?
Water?
I forgot to post that. He didn't faint. Oh yeah, I forgot to post that. He didn't faint. Put him in water and if you would.
You wrapped him okay, right?
This woman wrapped him up. I can rewrap him if you want.
I don't think he's comfortable.
Okay. Pass me your hand.
Oh, oh.
Do you want me to do it right here?
I guess so.
Alright, let's check you out. Yeah. But it might be. Where are you? Oh, you're on this side. Way up there, that turkey.
See?
Yeah, that's why I
told you he wasn't
said.
comfy. That bitch.
Watch out.
I know, I just want to get his hands off the ear. Oh, look at he's trying to starve.
He's hungry.
I know, it's
I
one-
should have brought formula.
Well,
They'll give you
yeah,
something.
they'll give you something. But they probably just have to wait for a little bit, you know? Like, if they really thought he was hungry, I should have been feeding him. Okay, we'll wrap you back up this time so your hands aren't in your neck.
What is that? Okay, let's go home now.
Is there a
Karina.
silent button on there too?
Yeah.
I'm missing. Leak, it says.
Weak?
Leak.
Leak? Alright, let's not make you all cabbage patched up here.
Mm-hmm. Make him look cute.
Yeah. I try. How am I gonna do this?
All
Let's
over
see.
the bed.
Oh, it's probably how it's gonna be because it's so thick.
Just looks at me. Just wanna punch you.
I know.
Punch you in the face.
It's like, settle down.
Oh, it hurts. Especially my back.
Now you could tell Tasha all about it.
She's gonna be scared, man. Just tell her.
There, is that a little bit better? Look at him.
Aw.
Oh, his eyes are wide open. You feel better?
This is tight.
No.
Okay.
No.